pack your bags, baby. We have to go back, let's go. Your summer paradise, oh, 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 oh. Simple plan, MKTO.
My heart is sinking as I'm lifting up above the clouds away from you. And I can't believe I'm leaving. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But someday I will find my way back to where your name is written in every word you said. I remember we were never gonna say goodbye. Singing la da 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 da. Tell me how to get back to back to summer paradise with you. And I'll be there in a heartbeat.
Yeah, I'm gonna be there.
Oh, I'll be there in a heartbeat.
Yeah, I'm gonna be there.
Oh,
Say what?
my soul is broken, streets are frozen. I can't stop these feelings melting through.
Now the truth is, we are super lag behind. So embarrassing. They are waiting for us. And then I'm trying very hard to paddle. But in fact, Dee is just suntanning.
I'm trying, okay?
Good job. I'm feeling this fisherman here.
Basically, I have to say Captain J has done a great job. Seriously, I'm just a liability. I've tried my best. I just can't.
More practice, I believe one day DJ will be on their way to the first championship.
Back to summer paradise with you.
Summer paradise.
And I'll be there in a heartbeat.
Yeah, I'm gonna be there.
Oh,
Watch.
I'll be there in a heartbeat.
Yeah, I'm gonna be there.
Oh,
Yeah, look.
Hey Dee, I'm just like capturing you, you know?